Can't forget these, the filter. So I'm gonna make a quick run to, well, not quick, cause it's about just under an hour drive to Ikea. So I'm looking to get a review table, like just a separate from, instead of like keep getting the same old shots. Review table will help out with moving that around and being able to do some more stuff. So going to Ikea, can't forget this bad boy, because this thing will do very well in the bright sunlight. So let's go. Wow, it is a beautiful day. Whew.
There, you could write these.
I always have this issue with my garage door. I gotta get it fixed. And I'm going to, oh my God, I'm getting mad. Still good, look. There's something wrong with it. Finally. Finally got here. It's been a while since I've been here, but we're here now. Seems like it's pretty quiet, so let's move on. I do like that couch. It's pretty nice. Ooh, look at that. I like that. I like that. It's really nice. So, it's... Alright, hopefully that stays. Alright, so it's a bit awkward vlogging in public. I haven't done this in a while. But I found myself a little quiet spot. And so look, the table that I want is, my problem is I don't want it to clutter a lot, so it's gonna be a small table. I was looking for some sort of foldable legs, and I don't want to spend too much money, so there's that. What I'm thinking of doing is they have tables that you can kind of unscrew. Once you unscrew them, you can fold them out, because I don't want the table just to be sitting there cluttering up the office. It's already enough clutter in there. I don't want more. So hopefully with the being able to take off the legs, you know, that does something for now, until maybe I find a better solution where I can find some sort of bracket legs. That I know it's gonna cost money for that, but that's the plan. So let's go and see if we can get this situated. I think it's gonna cost like 24. It should be about 30 bucks for this whole process, so that's not too bad. So I'm finally almost home. It's been a while. I know for you this was just like the next clip over, but for me it's been a long drive. It's actually 3:19 and I think I left around 12 o'clock. So I'm tired. You know, driving always gets me I don't like long distance driving at all. It gets me very tired and sluggish and stuff. But I might go on and do a live stream on my channel. So like I said, prior to, maybe I said that to somebody else or whatever, or to you guys, but I'm gonna start doing some live streams. I won't necessarily post them after I finish with it until I get more comfortable and get, you know, start getting a little bit of a what's the word I'm looking for, a bigger audience to go with it, so that way it's a little smoother. Right now we can have more conversation that way. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. I'm gonna probably build the desk. I'm not sure if I do that right when I get home, but I'm gonna do that today regardless. You guys will see it if I do. If I don't, then I just didn't get a chance to get to it, because I still do gotta pick up my son from school. So we'll see what happens. Time to get this stuff up and out. Alright, biggest thing is these things right here are shot. They're shot. I gotta get new ones. It's about 20 bucks and I've been putting them off for too long. So it's time for me to get that already. Put you down. I can't get this. Looks like I might have to leave some of these. I'll leave that there. Put these legs in the garage at least. It's time for me to lose this. I didn't need to get a really big one. That sounded weird. But yeah, this is just for the products. So let's put this away and maybe build it. So this should be the only tool I need. Not a sponsor. But it's over there. The legs are over here. That's a mess. And I'm gonna start trying to build it now. I'll try. So they had multiple colors in the legs. They had the off-white, that matches exactly that. They had gray, which I actually had in my hands. And then they had the blue, which would have just not gone with my room. And then they have the black. So they might have had red too, I'm not sure. I don't remember. I don't think so. Okay, so I got two. I'll just open them all. I just went with the black, obviously. I could have did the gray that matched these legs, but again, most of this stuff I'm gonna put away as soon as I get finished shooting B-roll, which will get annoying after a while. But it is what it is. Oh, it actually comes out to a perfect height for me. Now time to throw out the garbage. Alright, so that looks good. Again, I won't have to leave this here the whole time. Looks like I gotta fix that right there, because that's gonna mess it up. Now, let me know in the comments if I should actually put LEDs back here. I'm considering it. I think it'll look good if I do. I'll probably end up will, but thumbs up if you think I should put LEDs back here. Well, right here in one of the sides, so that way when I do my product reviews, it gives it a little spice. Let me know in the comments down below. Look how nice that looks already. The product shots. I'm gonna paint that so you won't have that issue there. And if I do put the LED lights there, it'll look nice. Yes. So look. Zoom. Do something. Boom. Ooh. Sexy B-roll time. So yeah, and also another reason why I got it is because I can do something. Well, I'll have this standing up more. Let's fix you. I'm sweating, it's hot. So I can have something like this where I put my tripod there and I can have conversations. I know a lot of people are doing that, and it actually makes sense. It actually looks good when you do that. Especially since, to me, this looks too plain over here. This looks too plain over here. So I think that will look good if I, instead of having that as my background, I can have my actual background, which is the setup. Why have such a nice setup if I only use these angles? But now I can have the product here, talk about it. Seems like it's gonna be a lot better. And like I said, I can take the legs off, put this underneath. The goal is to take the legs out and put everything underneath here, where I got some little boxes I just gotta move. So that should be good. Stop looking at my sweat. Can you see it? See all that? It's disgusting.